In this video, I will demonstrate the muscle attachments of humerus. The multipennate subscapularis is inserted into the lesser tubercle. The supraspinatus is inserted into the uppermost impression on the greater tubercle. The infraspinatus is inserted into the middle impression on the greater tubercle. The teres minor is inserted into the lower impression on the greater tubercle. The pectoralis major is inserted into the lateral lip of the intertubercular sulcus. The insertion is bilaminar. The latissimus dorsi is inserted into the floor of the intertubercular sulcus. The teres major is inserted into the medial lip of the intertubercular sulcus. The deltoid is inserted into the deltoid tuberosity. The coracobrachialis is inserted into the rough area on the middle of the medial border. The brachialis arises from the lower halves of the anteromedial and anterolateral surfaces of the shaft. Part of the area extends onto the posterior aspect. The brachioradialis arises from the upper two-thirds of the lateral supracondylar ridge. The extensor carpi radialis longus arises from the lower one-third of the lateral supracondylar ridge. The pronator teres, humeral head, arises from the lower one-third of the medial supracondylar ridge. The superficial flexor muscles of the forearm arise by a common origin from the anterior aspect of the medial epicondyle. This is called the common flexor origin. The superficial extensor muscles of the forearm and supinator have a common origin from the lateral epicondyle. This is called the common extensor origin. The anconeus, Greek elbow, arises from the posterior surface of the lateral epicondyle. Lateral head of triceps brachii arises from oblique ridge on the upper part of posterior surface above the radial groove, while its medial head arises from posterior surface below the radial groove. These are all about the muscle attachment of humerus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel to get more videos and do share to spread knowledge.